Okay, 18 here. How many moles of water are produced on combustion of propane with 2.5 moles of oxygen? Now, this is a question you're probably going to see often. Maybe not exactly this one, but something along this line. If you are just starting out your school year. And it's stoichiometry and it's quite easy to do. How many moles of water, that's H2O over here, are produced on the combustion of propane with 2.5 moles of O2. Okay, so if we're using 2.5 moles of O2, all of it, we're using the whole 2.5 moles of O2, then we can start by saying 2.5 moles of O2, 2.5 moles of O2, we'll open a bracket here, and then we can see that 5 moles of O2 produces 4 moles of water. So that means we can put 4 moles of H2O up there and 5 moles of O2 down there, so that this would cancel out that, and your answer will be 2.5 multiplied by 4 divided by 5. Okay, so what is that going to be? What will it be? 2. Okay, so that's 2 moles of H2O. Yeah, they said it's 2. Check if it's 2. All right, so I'll see you on question 19, right? So if you're not following this page yet, do follow, because we're getting to 100, right? And the essence is so that you get to master questions on stoichiometry, and that's basically it. There's been a lot of questions on stoichiometry, a lot of students bouncing here and there sending questions on stoichiometry, so we decided to treat this. Let me also know which other ones are giving you problem, so that we can also help out in any way we can. And yeah, subscribe to this page. Subscribe. Yeah. Okay, so I'll see you on question 19, guys.